Welcome you all. So this is a Michelin digital tire inflator. So you can set, as it is named, it's programmable. So you can set the required pressure. Purchased through Amazon. So Amazon has stopped giving the boxes. So earlier it was confused whether the product was original or not. So the model number is 12266. Manufacturing year it shows 2022. Okay, some billings are in there. Okay, so this is, let's open it. So you have the power on a button available. So digital displays when there. Some notifications on there on the boxes. What are things are included. So that has been available with this information. You can just check it out. So unique digital source gauge is there. You can preset the pressure which is required as per your vehicle. So you have LCD display as well. So let's come back to the unit. It comes out with a pouch also, which is used for keeping the device. Okay, so yeah, this is how the device is. Somewhat dust was there, so it will confuse whether it was a genuine product or not. Let's have to check whether it is working properly or not. So this is a LEDs also been provided. A strong base is there because of the vibrations that can be there. External adapters are been there, so as to fill air maybe in some other devices. So this is hose which is there. The sound which has been created is 90 decibels. These are external adapters. Some instructions are also been there. The hose with a strong base. Anti-slip pads are been there available at the bottom, so that because of the vibrations the device can move. Okay, so build quality looks good. So this is how 12 volt DC. Then USB option is also available. Let's look at again at the bottom side. This is a cable which is connecting your power source. So 12 volt DC external socket is also been provided, like if it is required for connecting to some other cigarette lighter socket. So the yellow button, it is your on off button. Then 12 volt power outlet source. It also has the LCD display. Then we have the blue pressure reset button. We can set the required value of pressure. External USB is also been provided. There are super bright LEDs, 5 in number. Then we can say the switch button is also there for starting the LEDs. 5 volt USB outlet source is also been available, that is in the blue on the other side. So this is how regarding to the device. You can see the hose which is on the left hand side. Similarly on the right hand side we have the power source. Some instructions are available on the back side, you can just read it out. Okay, so here it's the hose which is 300 centimeter long. Quite good enough because it can reach to all 4 tires quite easily if you are connected with the cigarette lighter socket in your car. The requirements are 12 volt 10 ampere, so total is 120. So your car cigarette lighter socket must be more than 120. And one more thing is your car should be in running condition, operating condition. The engine should be on, otherwise the battery may discharge. So quite long wire. In addition, it is provided with the fuse also. additional fuse. So this is how the socket is. This goes inside when you insert into the car's cigarette lighter socket. Okay, so this is regarding to the cable, power cable. On this side we have the hose. Not here very long, but still it can reach, as the unit has to be taken to the respective tire, so that's why whatever the length which is available with the hose, this 60 centimeter, so good enough. It has the wall connector at the front end with some threads available, so we can easily connect with the car tire wall. So to fix it, you need to slightly move it. Okay, so this is all regarding to the setup. So this is how the puncture which is being present right now. You can see the air which is leaking out, so it needs to be repaired. So this, for this we required another kit, which is okay. How it has to be connected first, we'll see.
180 watt socket.
This is a 12 volt socket, 180 watt. So this has to be connected inside. Ensure that your car engine is running during this work, because your battery may discharge. So it is necessary that the car should be in the. Okay, so you are seeing the noise. Okay, so right now it is, the pressure was very less, that was only 11. Just set it to 13, so it will stop when it is at. Now it is showing 13.5 psi. So around 1 or 2 minutes will be required to hold the required pressure. Not much noise. Noise is definitely there, but it's not too loud. Gradually it is increasing to 17.5. As we have preset this to 31, so it will stop when it reaches the pressure of 30. By default it will stop at 31, but we will set it to 31, so it will stop at 31. Thank you. So during the emergency, this handling device, which is very useful in certain situations. So this is currently effective. 30.5, 31, 31.5. We are check it's 32. Okay, it's 32. Okay, now it has stopped at 32. You can see. Now you can remove the hose connections. Now it's time to remove that puncture which has been available. So a kit has been there. So it costs somewhere around 600, not 940. It comes up with the pouch also. So the pouch looks nice. This is purchased through Amazon. So you have some hand gloves available. Apart from hand gloves, there are some this is pliers which also been there. Then this is for checking whether there is puncture or not. So you can have the shampoo which is there, and water, soap water, which can be there, and it can be used for detailing. So these are the important part which will be useful for repair. Along with that, 4 wall caps are also been provided. uh, some fuses are also been provided over there. A plier which will be useful if some nails and other things are there. Some solution is also been provided which uh, will be useful, and one knife. Okay, so these are the fuses. Okay, so there are total 10. So one for inserting this one, and the second one is there for making the holes. Along with that, solution is provided, as well as some marker is been there. A knife is also been there. So finally, this has been there, and you can see. So it requires a lot of effort. Thank you.